Welcome back to Saunders Homestead. Today is September 24th, 2023. It's a beautiful day up here in the county, as you can see. Nice sunny day, 70 degrees. So today we finished up putting all the framing in for the solarium going over the swim spa pool. A lot of screws, a lot of drilling. And on this head member, they call it a head member, right here, it's going to get flashing. So the flashing is right here. Okay, this is what the flashing looks like. It's got a weird bend on it. So I drew that up and had them custom bend it at the metal shop. So that little lip right down here, that goes underneath this head right there, as you can see. Yep, and then the riglet goes right in that groove. See that? So what I'm doing now is cutting this riglet. It's so the flashing will go inside there, and then I will caulk the top of it. That way when the water comes down, it runs over this and then onto the glass, because this is going to be glass, and then it runs off and funnels off. And I think it goes down these little gutters in here somewhere. But anyways, that's what the engineers of the sunroom suggested to do. So that's what I am doing. So that's Flooring Greenhouses. They're in South Carolina. But so that's what we're doing here today at Saunders Homestead. So I'm using a multi-tool, a Milwaukee multi-tool, cordless multi-tool. And see the blades on there a little bit of an angle. So that way I can follow the line. So I cut a small piece of flashing off to make a mock-up. And then that way I'll know I'm making it right. So I hold it down a little bit out of an angle because the roof is about 14 degrees, and then I run it right through there like that. And then that cuts the little slice in there to accept the flashing. See, that top edge of that flashing is going to go right in there. See, just like that. See? And then that sits in there like that, and that's called a riglet. This right here, that groove I'm cutting in there is called a riglet to accept the flashing. But that's what we're doing here today at Saunders Homestead. If you know, I didn't see many explanations out there for the riglet flashing, so that's why I was going to post this. Thanks a lot for visiting our videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll be posting new videos more on a regular basis. Thank you very much.